Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another episode of DIY Friday. I am coming to you guys today. We are going to be dressing up the wood bead. Yes. We're going to be dressing up these wood beads right here. Well, actually we're going to be doing one. And what you will need to do this DIY is you're going to need 3 different colors of fax suede cord. You're going to need 2 16mm wood beads. You're going to need 2 12mm beads. It doesn't matter what kind, they just need to be 12mm, 2 of these. You're going to need some spacer beads, which are these flat wood beads right here. You're going to need a piece of 12 gauge wire. You're going to need your round nose pliers, your wire cutters, and your fax suede cord needs to be at least 24 inches long, okay? So let's go ahead and get into this. Oh, and I'm sorry, y'all. You are also going to need your handy dandy glue gun. And of course, you know you're going to need a fish hook as well. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so for the sake of this video, what I am going to do is I'm going to show you guys and start you guys off with what you need to do with your fax suede cord first, and then I am going to continue to braid. Now the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to take all 3 pieces and we're going to put them together, and we're going to braid our cord. We're going to braid, you want to braid as much as you can, so you want to just put them 3 together like this. And this is what you're going to have, guys, these 3 together. And then we're just going to braid these 3, okay? So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, before we start braiding, you want to just take these 3, put them together, and tie them in a knot. Okay, tie them in one little knot like this. And that's all you do, and then you start braiding. Okay guys, so the very first thing, just like I told you guys to do, was that I braided my cord. Now I did not braid it all the way down to the end, but I braided it down as far as I thought that I would need to. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our bead and our glue gun, and we're going to start gluing our fax suede cord onto our bead. And this is probably what we should have. This will be the end result, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to get started. The first thing you do is you come up to the top, the very top of your bead, and you just want to place a little bit of glue here. Just a little bit, okay? Then you want to take your rope and you want to lay it on top of that glue. And you want to hold it down and press it, and hold it as long as you can, guys, okay? There you go. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come up at the top where you have the knot, and we're going to put a little bit of glue right here. Okay, and then we're going to press that piece down like that, and we're going to take our scissors, our wire cutters, and snip the top of this off. Okay, and that's what you should have, guys. It's going to look like this. Okay, now we're going to come back around and we're going to put just a little bit more glue, because we want these pieces to stay locked onto the bead like that. And this is what you're going to have. This is what it's going to look like at first. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to just go around our bead with the glue and try to do it as lightly as you can. And then we're going to take our rope, sorry y'all, and we're going to start doing it in a round like this. Okay guys, so we're going to just go ahead and just start adding a little glue at a time to our wood bead. And we're just going to take our rope and we're going to press it down, okay, like this. And you're going to hold it just for a few seconds so it can stick, okay? All right, now we're just going to go over top of where we first started, and we're going to put just a tad bit of glue here, and we're going to take our rope and bring that over like that. Hold it for a few minutes, guys, so that it can adhere to it. Now we're going to start coming down. So we want to start our second layer. So we're going to add a little bit of glue, guys, and we're going to just start working our way down. So for the sake of the video, guys, I am going to go ahead and go down as far as possible, and when I get to the end, I will come back. Okay guys, so this is pretty much what you should have. This is what your bead should look like. Now when we get down to the very end, okay, we're going to take and cut, which is snip that off, and we're going to take our glue gun and shoot some glue right in here, and we're going to real quick press it down like that. Okay, there we go. Okay, and this is what our dressing up the wood bead looks like. Now that's what you're going to have, guys. So we're going to go ahead and make this baby. As a matter of fact, we need to add just a tad more bit of glue right here. Push it in. There you go. And it will stay, okay? And this is what you have, guys. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and work on the second half of our earring. So our second half of our earring, guys, is we're going to be adding our wood beads. These are the flat ones, and we're going to be also adding our glass beads. So I have already made my loop, and you guys know, pretty much know how I make my loop. I make my loop and then I turn it, I twist it a couple times. I've twisted this one at least 3 times. And so what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to add our bead on. Then we're going to add the flat bead like that, and we're going to place it right inside this hole, just like that. And this is what you will have. It looked like a little beehive. I love it, guys. I really absolutely love it. I think it's beautiful. These are going to be a gorgeous pair of earrings. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to take our bead, our wood flat bead, push this down, okay, and then we're going to take our other bead and place that on top. Now I'm looking at this and I don't think I'm going to add the second bead. I think I'm going to leave it like this. I think I'm going to just leave it with the wood bead down the bottom. And what I'm going to do next is I am going to make a loop, guys. Make a loop, and you guys see my loop, and then give it a little indentation like that, and then I'm going to just start wrapping it around as much as I can. Now, just like I always say, guys, you can either leave it like this, or you can add something else to it if you like. So this is what we have for our earring. We're going to come up to the top. We're going to give this a little snip, cut off that extra, and then we're just going to we can take our round nose pliers and then squeeze that in a tad bit. There you go. And last but not least, guys, we're going to go ahead and add our fish hook. Add our fish hook. And we have ourselves a really, really cute pair of earrings. This is too cute, guys. And just make sure that you go around and you clean it up. Get some of the glue off. But this is cute. It looks like a little beehive. Okay, guys, so here is our finished product. 2 dressing up the bead earrings. It's the bottom. That's the top. Got the fish hooks on there. I want to thank you guys for tuning in to my Friday's DIY. Y'all have a wonderful, awesome weekend. Peace and blessings. Bye, everyone.